Okay, one box of 1314 SPX. This was also picked up from Charm City Cards, box number 06. This product's been pretty decent to me. I pulled a Dougie Hamilton Ice in the last box. So, we'll see if we can pull something here. This product's actually come down in price a little bit. You can get them for about 85 to 90 now. They were over 100 before. There's our ice pack, the bonus. Okay, so only 12 packs, as I've talked about before. Only like a little over 50 cards for the entire box, so I mean, you really have to do well on your hits to even come close in this product. I think in the future they could add some packs and some more lower tier inserts or something. The value is just tough. I mean, I did really good on my last box, but you can get killed in this product. Yeah, the sideways base cards, which is kind of cool. Frederick Anderson, he played a little for them during the playoffs. That runs over though. Cool base cards. I like the white design, the background. It's really cool cards from Upper Deck, as we expect. Move this camera up just a little bit. So, I'm just going to flip them like this. You can kind of get the gist of who it is. Alex Jason from the Stars. So, a couple packs, a couple rookies. That's a nice one. Trilogy Seth Jones. I've never pulled one of these. To 149, so this must be like the second level. Wasn't expecting that. I pulled a Seth Jones jersey auto in my last box, so that's cool. Really cool looking card too. Wow. It's a little thicker. Yeah, so I guess Trilogy couldn't get all the rookies in because they hadn't played an NHL game or whatever, so they just inserted them into SPX, which is an interesting tactic by Upper Deck, but it's kind of cool. That's cool too. Taylor Hall jersey, winning materials, and this is actually, that's game used, so it's interesting. They don't number these. Oh, it'd be nice if they did, but nonetheless, cool card. So we're starting off pretty good. I want to make sure not to open the ice pack until last, so let's see where I put that. Okay, there's the bonus pack. Let's put that to the side. There's Patrick Kane. Ryan Murphy. I don't think he played a lot for them. That's the foil rookie. Nathan Ballou. He's played a little. He might not have played that much during the playoffs. Habs fans can answer that one. Thought that was a Gallagher at first. That's cool. Sean Monahan jersey. Rookie materials, not numbered. Tyler Toffoli, foil rookie. Some of these are SPs I forgot what the numbering was for the SPs. I think they're higher numbered. I like these SPX cards. We're going to roll with Hampus Lindholm as our rookie jersey. 499. That should be the end of our hits. Unless the trilogy was a bonus, which would be nice, but I don't think so. It's a nice Hampus. The young defenseman for the Ducks. Theoren Fleury. I haven't really heard of him. That's the retro SPX design. That one. That might be the SP. Yeah, I think anything over 150 is the short printed rookies. So that's Vladdy Tarasenko. These foil cards are always scratched though. That's one gripe I do have about them. They're still cool though. So, a couple packs left. We got this in the bonus. So, okay, that trilogy counted as a hit. John Tavares. That glare's bad, but that's the retro hologram. I like that card. That's cool. Okay, so that wraps up the normal packs. Let's do the bonus. Okay, Eric Drybra. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think he's actually a pretty good player. 999 from the Senators. These ice cards are so cool, man. Be fun to put that set together. You wouldn't have any money left though. Those are pricey. But I mean, if you think about it, they're really tough to get. You only get one bonus pack for a hobby box of SPX. So let's recap it. I'll just count this as a hit. I don't know. It's cool. Ice, Eric Drybra to 999. Hampus Lindholm, 499. Jersey auto from the Ducks. We got the Monahan jersey, single jersey. Taylor Hall, jersey, orange and white on those jerseys, not numbered. And this was a cool card. The first hit of the box was a Seth Jones trilogy to 149 auto. Decent break. Thanks.